Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health.k. Today in this video I will tell you top 10 health benefits of almond milk. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Those looking for a dairy-free milk substitute have probably stumbled across almond milk and wondered, is almond milk good for you? Whether you are a vegan sensitive to milk or just don't like the taste, almond milk is a fabulous alternative. While almond milk is becoming more and more popular, it's important to note that it doesn't provide as much protein or calcium to be a complete substitute. So make sure you receive adequate amount from other sources. 1 cup only has 1 gram of protein versus 8 gram in its cow's milk and 2 milligrams of calcium versus 300 milligram in cow milk. As with everything you buy, make sure to check the labels and purchase almond milk that contains the least amount of preservatives and the additives. Number 1. It helps with weight management. 1 cup of almond milk contains only 60 calories as opposed to the 146 calories in whole milk, 122 calories in 2%, 102 calories in 1%, and 86 calories in skim. It makes for a great substitute that will help you lose or maintain your current weight. Number 2. It keeps your heart healthy. There is no cholesterol or saturated fat in almond milk. It is also low in sodium and high in healthy fats such as omega fatty acid and typically found in fish, which helps to prevent high blood pressure and heart diseases. Number 3. It keeps your bones strong. While it doesn't offer as much calcium as cow milk, almond milk doesn't offer 30% of the recommended daily amount as well as 25% of the recommended amount of vitamin D, reducing your risk for arthritis and osteoporosis and improving your immune function. Plus, these two nutrients work together to provide healthy bones and teeth formation. Number 4. It keeps your skin glowing. Almond milk contains 50% of the recommended daily amount of vitamin E, which contains antioxidant properties essential to your skin's health, such as protecting it against sun damage. Number 5. It barely impacts your blood sugar. Almond milk with no additives is low in carbohydrates, which means it was not significantly increase your blood sugar levels, reducing your risk for diabetes. Because of its low glycemic index, your body will use the carbohydrates as energy, so the sugars are not stored as fat. Number 6. It contributes to muscle strength and healing. Although almond milk only contains 1 gram of protein per serving, it contains plenty of B vitamins such as iron and riboflavin, both important for muscle growth and healing. Number 7. It keeps your digestion in check. Almond milk contains almost 1 gram of fiber per serving, which is important for healthy digestion. Number 8. It does not contain lactose. Lactose intolerance impacts about 25% of the US population, which means they have difficulty digesting the sugars in cow's milk. This makes almond milk a suitable lactose-free substitute. Number 9. It tastes better than cow's milk. Almond milk does not taste like cow's milk, perfect for those who are turned off by the taste. It has its own unique flavor, many described as being light and crisp. Bonus, it's versatile, meaning you can use it instead of cow's milk in recipes that require it. It will not have the same taste, but it will have the same consistency. Number 10. It doesn't require refrigeration. Knowing that you don't have to refrigerate almond milk means you shall be more likely to take it with your work or on a camping trip. It's perfectly fine at room temperature, which makes it a convenient, nutritious staple to pack, automatically upping your daily intake of all the fabulous nutrients above. Number 11. It's easy to make. It is a tad inconvenient to have a cow grazing in your backyard. Almond milk is the convenient alternative to make at home. It's made by finely grinding almonds and placing them in a blender with water, then filter the pulp with a strainer to separate it from liquid. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video. Thanks for watching.